Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. So today I am gonna show you hair curl with straightener. Yes, you don't have to waste your money for another tool to curl your hair. If you want to know how I do it, then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. So for curling my hair, I am gonna use this straightener from Ikonic. It has adjustable temperature range from 130 degree to 230, and there you have the power button and temperature controlling buttons. So I am gonna leave a section of hair and pull rest of the hair up. Gonna twist the hair and secure the hair with a clip. Splitting the loose hair into two parts. This is cold now, not heated. Now we're gonna practice first. So whoever doing curl in this method for the first time or the beginners, you can practice as much as you want without burning your hair. So let's start it on and let's get started. I'm gonna use it with 210 degree. So first take a section and clip the straightener and twist it. Make sure the end part of the hair pointing down and twist it again, then pull. Just see the beautiful curls. Now hold it for 5 seconds and it's done. Isn't it really cool and easy? So follow this for the rest of the hair. So gradually take a section of hair and curl. Make sure your hair is fully dry and tangle free before you use straightener, and use heat protection serum also to protect your hair from burning. So our curling is done. Set however you want to. You can use hairspray to last long the curls, but without spray also it will stay for long, like 5-6 hours or more. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share. So see you soon with a new exciting tutorial like this. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.